Assalamualaikum साथियों, just came to know that we can use Docker without using sudo. I am surprised because as a beginner learner of this DevOps thing, and I have been searching for this, and now I am going to try to set up this process to get free of sudo use. For this, I have to check that if the Docker group is running in my machine. I can add me as a user to the Docker group. So let's see if I have the group running in my bootcamp. VM Alt Control T. So Docker PS, it says it can't, so grep, if I have the group, grep Docker etc group 137. The group exists. If it was not there, I could have used this command to create the group. Add Docker, but the group already exists. Now I will add me as my user in this Docker group. Sudo user mode agog Docker $user. Good. User added. Login, logout. Logout and relog. Login. Successfully added me as a user to the Docker group, and now it works without sudo. Let's see. Okay.